this video, we will show you the second method we can reset our network connections. First, you can right-click on your network connections. For example, in here, we're using Wi-Fi. Just we can click Open Network and Internet Connections. Same if you are using LAN, you can just right-click like this. Then, click the Change Adapter options. Because we are using Wi-Fi, so we can right-click in this here and then choose Disable. After that, you can right-click again and Enable. Then you can reconnect if you are using Wi-Fi by clicking your Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar. If you are using LAN, it's same method. You can right-click in here and disable and enable. You can see there, this will reset our network connection. And the second, we can using the resetter software and open the folder and right-click and choose Run as Administrator. In here, you can release and renew the HTTP address, clear host files, clear static IP, or using flash DNS keys, reset your internet options, security or privacy. We can try using this to release and renew the HTTP address. So your connection will renew. Then we can also try to reset our internet option, security or privacy. That's all.